2x8. Oh, that's a very good question.
Okay, guys, I'm coming up with the
We're going to stand this 500-pound vertical head up on end. Then we're going to walk it that direction.
I'm only taking this because
Come on, guys. You guys got it?
Our engine failed, and at this point in time we're tearing the engine apart, which means the young people, instead of just being in the engine room recording the readings, pushing the throttles, now have the opportunity to take this engine completely apart, look at how it's put together, and then when they get done taking it apart and cleaning it up, then they get to put it back together again. So it's a tremendous opportunity for most young people today who will never have an opportunity to tear an engine apart and put it back together again.
We've got a bent rod. It was also stuck in the cylinder liner. So they're getting much more hands-on than a lot of the diesel students are at some of the technical schools, because they're doing it for real on a ship that they operate all the time.